In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select themes in Surveymonkey. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a look for your survey, make a few quick adjustments, and save your changes with confidence. Start by opening Surveymonkey in your browser and signing in if you're prompted. From your dashboard, choose the survey you want to style and click it to open the builder. This takes you into the workspace where you can design, preview, and customize the experience your respondents will see. Once your survey is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the design options, including the area where you control your survey's theme. This is where you set the overall look and feel, colors, backgrounds, and other visual elements that make your survey feel on brand and easy to read. If you're on a paid plan, you'll notice options to create or customize themes more deeply. That's great for full brand control, but for now, we'll focus on standard themes so you can get a polished result right away without extra setup. Open the Themes section and browse the list of standard themes available. Each theme offers a different style, from clean and minimal to more colorful and expressive. Take a moment to scan through the options and consider what best fits your audience and the tone of your survey. When you find a theme you like, click it. The change applies immediately to your survey preview so you can see exactly how it looks across your pages and questions. If it's not quite right, simply pick another one. You can switch themes as many times as you like until you land on a look that feels just right. If you want to fine-tune the look, select Edit on the Theme panel. Here you can adjust elements like colors to better match your brand or improve readability. Choose a primary color that complements your logo or content and aim for strong contrast between text and background so your survey is accessible and easy to read even on smaller screens. When you're satisfied with your new theme and any edits you've made, close out of the editor by selecting Done. This confirms your visual choices and returns you to the main builder. Finally, make sure to save your work. Click Save so your theme selection and any color adjustments are stored and applied to your live survey. That's it. You've opened your survey, selected a standard theme, optionally edited the colors, and saved your changes. With a few clicks, your survey now looks professional, consistent, and ready to share. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.